The number one question I often get is, what's my favorite part of the retreats? And I'd have to say that I love watching people cross over from their comfort zone. I love it when the least expected thing happens for them. They trust, open up, make friendships they never thought or possibly would never venture into outside of one of our retreats. People find a sense of comfort and safety in these weekends and are able to really explore the depth of who they are, what they're looking for. And I think my favorite part is when they surprise themselves.